Hi everyone, my name is Marta. I'm a med student from Portugal.
My name is Mattias Ugodnik. I am a 40-year-old family doctor living in Sweden.
As a PhD biologist, I've spent my entire adult life wrestling with how to reconcile my Catholic faith with my scientific understanding of the natural world.
In the past, I regarded faith as a mere cultural historical phenomena. Thanks to Aquinas 101, I started to read the Summa by myself. The video series turned out to be my catechism of the Catholic Church. It inspired me to become a Roman Catholic. The more I learned, the more convinced I became. That is, for me to do full justice to God, I must first repent and then become a Roman Catholic.
I got invited to join a catechetical coffee group where we were watching Aquinas 101 videos and discussing them. I realized that that is what I found through Aquinas 101.
So I'm very thankful for Aquinas 101 for giving me the tools in philosophy and theology to understand that philosophy and science and faith all do go together, and it has really helped me to deepen my faith.
What brings me the most joy is seeing the impact that these videos are having as a tool for evangelization to one of my non-Christian friends.
In the past Easter, I got baptized in my local diocese. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you.
If you have profited from these videos, that's because someone gave a gift so we could make them. We give them away for free because we think the truth should always be free. So my question for you is, would you return the favor? Would you pay it forward for the next viewer so that someone else can encounter the wisdom and power of the truth through Aquinas 101? Your gift will not only help us film, animate, and produce Aquinas 101, it will also support the entire mission of the Thomistic Institute. To donate, click the link in the description or go to thomisticinstitute.org/donate. And thank you for sending the truth to more souls, because it matters what you think.